All right, here's Han.
Hi.
We're still here at Treetops Park up in Fort Lauderdale. We have all this extra meat left over. Here's that Japanese Wagyu from Costco. There is that Choice, New York. A little bit tough in my opinion. But now what are we gonna do? We have some extra ingredients. Let's try something that I haven't seen done before. How about a corn dog made from Wagyu beef? Yeah, right?
We try.
Okay, we'll try that. This is kind of expensive for a corn dog, but why not do it up? A luxurious corn dog.
Okay, today I'm gonna use this chopstick.
Okay.
So kind of all the way like this. So almost. I just wanna cut off this one on top. Okay. So I'm gonna cut into this way.
Oh, wow, that's a big piece.
I'm gonna stick in.
Okay.
Okay, so idea is like this.
Okay. All right, perfect. Looks good. We talked about this before. Maybe put it on the grill, right? Grill a little bit so it's not so
it's a little bit.
there's too much fat inside, right?
Grill it first.
Yeah, definitely.
Then I'm gonna kind of dry up first.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna dip into.
You guys saw from the previous video that we did the tataki comparison. This is Choice at $11.99 a pound. For $3 more, definitely go with the prime cut at Costco. And this is very, very chewy.
This one, I think I need a little bit trimming up.
Looks like a satay,
Satay, yes.
right?
Yes.
Are you a yakitori master?
Yeah.
Kushiyaki?
いらっしゃい、いらっしゃい、いらっしゃい、いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。
This is when you know
Yeah.
someone's going crazy.
築地。いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。Only for yakitori, only today. いらっしゃいませ。
Yakitori, but that's yakitori's chicken.
Only 4 piece. Only 4 piece.
Only 4 piece, limited edition.
Yeah, limited edition. いらっしゃいませ。
Hero's talking to imaginary people. I don't see anyone around here. Anyway, that tataki dish was amazing.
Yeah.
Huh? What's more amazing, we fit everything in here in this car, in the back of the car. More adventures to come, right, Hiro?
Oh yeah, I like
More
it.
camping adventures.
I like it here.
You like it here, right?
I like it here. I know it's kind of hot and sweating, but actually I can do like make it more smoke.
Yeah.
You know.
Go and burn the house
I can
down.
make fried rice and everything here.
Oh, yeah.
So,
That's true.
Yeah.
Well, fried rice.
We do more like a grill stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
Cook stuff.
All right. This is the first step of these beautiful beef corn dogs.
Yeah. Because of the beef, so I just cook a little bit first.
Okay. tasting. You ready? Try?
Yes.
Start with the regular New York. How is it?
Actually, very soft inside.
Very soft?
When you eat the tataki, this meat was a little bit tough, right?
Mm-hmm.
But actually, this one's kind of soft. Actually, inside are, of course, cooked a little bit more.
Yeah.
But I like
It's
it.
actually nice. It's like a medium well. Not. I mean, I'm usually a rare kind of guy, but it's actually not bad.
Not bad.
Very nice. Let's try the Wagyu now.
Wow.
How's it?
Very soft.
Very soft, right? I
Very
can imagine. Take a look at this.
That's really good.
Looks really good, just like the other one.
Of course, inside, this is not the way you like to cook, but still good. Yeah.
No, that is amazing.
Wow.
Never had a steak on a stick here. First time.
Yeah.
Steak on a stick, and of course a Wagyu and the regular New York strip. Definitely, of course, highly recommend the Wagyu. A little bit more money, but try it once. If not, then go to Costco and try the prime cut. This is not sponsored. We wish it was, but maybe in the future. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you soon. All right, after a day at the park,
Yes.
Hiro-san, success.
Yeah,
What an
everything.
interesting corn dog. Can't wait to try it again. Maybe with some other
Yeah, we can do tonkatsu.
tonkatsu, right?
More grill stuff.
Right, more grill stuff out here. Thank you so much to this little grill over here. Saved me from using my little one. Packed up the Nissan again, ready to head back out. Son, we'll see you very, very soon.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chef Hiro, and here's Chef Mike. Thank you for being my YouTube channel. Today, we have a great announcement.
Absolutely. We are happy to announce Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef will be doing consulting for professional restaurants. Whether you've been in business for 10 years or just starting your brand, we want to be a resource for you, utilizing the 30 years from Chef Hiro-san, 20 years from myself, working in this industry, as well as through the channel with branding, content development, social media and advertising, down to recipe developments and standards and procedures. We want to be a resource for you wherever you may be in your business and for your team. We look forward to hearing back from you. If you'd like to reach out in regards to this, please check out the link below or shoot us an email.